How the fuck do you want me to fucking sleep? How do you want me to sleep? Huh? How do you want me to sleep? Listen to you. I'm talking to you and you can't even fucking hear me. Look at you. You're fucking done. Look at you. Yeah. How do you want me to sleep next to you? Listen to that shit. Yeah. Honestly. Honestly. How do you want me to fucking sleep? You pussy. Stupid. Look at you. You're a fucking disaster. Look at you. Yeah. Fucking light on. Fucking TV on. And I'm talking to you and you can't listen to you. You sound like a fucking donkey dying. Yeah. Fucking. How do you want me to sleep? How do you want me to sleep right now? Yeah. I gotta fucking put headphones on and listen to music and sleep. Listen to you. Yeah. Yeah. You can't even fucking. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Again. All night. This whole week you've been doing this to me. You know you've been doing this to me a whole week? Yeah? Do you know? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I had it with this. Fucking had it with this shit. I gotta figure something out. Can't sleep. Can't fucking sleep with this guy. Just wakes me up. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Fuck. You quiet now? Yeah? You quiet now? You better stay like this, Puya. Fucking 3 minutes of my memory and video is just wasted on you right now. To prove you sound like a donkey when you sleep. 7 days, 7 nights, I had to deal with this. And you wanted a proof. We're going into 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Look how mashed you are. You can't even fucking listen to me. Look, you're not even replying to me. I'm talking to you. You're out cold. Out cold. Who fucking did this to you? You don't even know. You don't even know how you got that bruise. Pussy. You're a pussy, right? Say yes. Yeah. I'm a pussy. My name is Puya. And I'm a pussy that snores all the time. Why? 'Cause I'm a bitch. Fuck my life.